In this video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Debonair's pizza online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To order this pizza online, you can visit the website or even use the mobile app. So on your computer or your phone, whatever you prefer, go to debonairspizza.co.za. When you arrive at this page, click on the option at the top, Order Now. This will redirect you to another menu or another page where you can actually choose delivery. So if you are given the option between delivery and collect, make sure that you select delivery and then set up your address. So you can choose the location on the map or you can type out your full address. You can also see other options, so delivery as soon as possible or schedule for later, and you can do saved addresses here. When you input an address, it's going to give you all of the restaurants near you that are available for delivery. If you don't see any results, it means that there are no available restaurants that can deliver to your address. So now choose any of these and you will begin adding pizzas to the cart. So when you choose any of these, you can see all of the details, customize it however you prefer, and add to your order. So make sure that you add all of the items. You can scroll down or use the categories at the top so you have sides, drinks, pizzas, specialties, and so on. Once you have everything here, choose the checkout option. Go to checkout again and input your phone number. So sadly, I don't have a valid phone number at the moment to actually finish this process with, but if you do, simply input it here, choose next, and you can confirm your PIN code. After you verify your mobile number, you can choose from any of the available payment methods to finish placing this order, and it will be delivered to you. You can check the status of the delivery on this page, and it is available anywhere where the restaurants are near. I hope I was able to help you on how to order a Debonair's pizza online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.